Supcase Too Technical. I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, Supcase was kind enough to send me out the UB case, the Supcase for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the UB Mag Slim Clear MagSafe case. So if you want to pick this up for yourself, this will run you $23.95. It comes in 4 different colors. So the color they sent over to me was the clear version right there. It also comes in this black grayish looking color. You can get it in a blue color. If it pulls up, you can get it in that blue color, and then you can get it in the white color, which is the clear color that they were kind enough to send over to me. This is what that case looks like on their website. So now let's go on and unbox this. And as you know, I am a sucker for a clear case, so I already know that I'm gonna love this case, and because I love their products overall. So first, let's just drop the iPhone 15 Pro Max in like so. And this is the lip action that you are getting. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, I know you'll be good to go. But if you want more protection, I recommend you throw a screen protector on there. Like I currently have a screen protector on my device. Over here, you do get nice buttons for your volume up. That's for your power button, which is nice, clicky, no problem. You get nothing on this side down here. Coming to the bottom, you do get access for your charging cable, and I'm sure you can charge it just fine. Over here, you get a lanyard loop if you're into that kind of thing. Up here, you do get your volume up and down buttons, which are nice and clicky, no problem. You do get a button for your action button. You can push that and it works just like that. At the top, you get nothing, but you do get some feet. I call this feet for extra cushion. When you drop it on the corner of the table, you should be good to go. You do get that MagSafe indicator on the back, because this is MagSafe capable, and it's like in a silver color. Down here it does say Supcase. You do get a nice lip for your camera, so if you place your phone flat down on the camera, you should be good to go. Overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case. I really do like what Supcase has to offer. They have little feet in the back here, also on every corner for drop protection. Overall, this does look amazing. So now let's bring my wireless charger with MagSafe capability in, and it's going to work just like that because this case is MagSafe capable. I will drop a link to where you can go pick this case up for yourself in the description. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.